Today, we're introducing an all-new version of Glide that we call GlideOS. GlideOS is a breakthrough in our ability to turn spreadsheets into powerful custom software for your business. It includes new ways to build, maintain, and use custom software as a team so your apps don't get stuck in the prototype stage. The original Glide gave everyone the ability to turn a Google Sheet into a mobile app in minutes. And since then, our users have turned millions of spreadsheets into apps at over 100,000 businesses. But a lot has changed since then. AI has arrived, and now anyone can make software. So we wondered, how can you trust AI-generated software in the same way you trust a spreadsheet to run your business? How can you safely share custom apps with your team? And how can you measure adoption and the value of these tools? GlideOS answers these questions. Drop a spreadsheet, and Glide understands the data, the formulas, and even the spreadsheet's visual design. It normalizes your data into a reliable database and transforms formulas into calculations that you can check without looking at code. And Glide can even check the app against the original spreadsheet to find inconsistencies and optimize it. And on top of your data and calculations, Glide builds user-friendly apps that work on any device your employees bring to work. So the result is an easy-to-use app with up-to-date data, calculations that you can trust, it's private to your company, and it's just a tap away on any employee's home screen. So, a leap forward for spreadsheet translation, but why are we calling it GlideOS? Well, one insight we've learned is that our most successful customers, they never build just one app. They build systems of interconnected apps that share data in real time across their company. So, for example, someone in the field logs an event in their mobile app. The ops team in the back office sees the event live and immediately can take action. And executives can see up-to-date business metrics in simple custom dashboards on their phones. These apps are connected by shared data, they're private to your company, and just like spreadsheets, they're easy to adapt as your business changes. And once your business is running on Glide, you can do things a spreadsheet could never do, like working with AI to understand your business in real time. Hey Glide, show me today's costs by zone. Is this a typical amount? Awesome. We now live in a world where anyone can make software. So the next question is, how do you put this power into your team's hands to make a real impact on your business? That's what GlideOS is designed for. The more apps you build and the more data you connect, the more powerful Glide gets. But it all starts in the spreadsheet that you're already using to run your business. Drop it today at glideapps.com to get started.